Everybody, it's Colleen from Feel Great Reflexology Massage Cupping. I am having a fabulous day. It's sunny, it's warm, it's hot. I'm loving it. However, my feet need some love. I have been walking. I have been trying to get into shape, and I've been doing a lot of extra walking and now a little bit of running. And I kind of felt a little bit of tightness and a little pain on my foot. So I decided that I am going to do a castor oil pack. So I've got some castor oil, I've got my cloth, I've got a heating source by way of water bottle and by way of an electric heating pad and saran wrap. So how do I help my sore foot, you ask? I am going to make a castor oil pack, and the first thing I do is I take a little bit of castor oil and I put it on my sore foot. And you notice I put a generous amount. I didn't, worry about trying to save any castor oil. Use a generous amount. You will need it if you have a little bit of pain like I do. Next, I pour another generous amount of castor oil on a cloth, and I literally just drench it. Now, I should let you know that I have protected my carpet below me because I wanted to make sure that if this castor oil does spill onto the carpet, then I'm not worried about any stains. Castor oil does stain. You don't want to have it stain yellow on any surfaces or linens. This is white, and you'll notice, like, if you use it more than once, which you can, that it will stain yellow. And you can use it more than once. You can actually put this in the fridge and put it in a saran wrap or in a Ziploc bag in the fridge and reuse it again. So what I'm going to do is I've taken this drenched castor oil pack, or this cloth that's been drenched in castor oil, and I'm wrapping it around my foot. And I'm actually wrapping it around my toe because that's where I've been feeling a little bit of a challenge. So a lot of castor oil on my hands. I'm going to use this wonderful thick castor oil on my leg and make sure that it moistens my skin. Now I've got my saran wrap. Next, I will put the saran wrap over top of the cloth that's been drenched in castor oil. And I do that because I want to protect the cloth, make sure that it stays secure on my foot, and I do it because I want to save and protect furniture, and also it helps to keep the heat in. And that's the trick, is keeping the heat in. I want to make sure that it stays nice and warm. So now that I've done this, I could go to bed with this on and not worry about it falling off. And I can leave it just like this. However, if I do go to bed, I don't want to keep an electric heating pad on. So I would use a water bottle or another heating source that is safe to use if I fall asleep. Generally, you would keep a castor oil pack on for about 30 minutes to an hour, but I have actually slept with it on overnight, and it has relieved the pain in my foot beautifully, amazingly. I didn't have to take any anti-inflammatories. I was feeling fabulous the next day, and it was this simple. So something that you may want to try. However, if you've only got 30 minutes to an hour, definitely get your heat source, such as your heating pad, and you'd wrap it around the foot. Sometimes I secure it with an elastic band and just put my feet up, watch TV while the heat pulls out any inflammation, and it helps to relieve the pain. And then I just take it off. So it's a wonderful way to help the body, to help relieve inflammation, and to help relieve pain. Simple and effective, and I recommend it. I hope you will try it if you are ever in need, and if you know anyone else in need, please do recommend it to them as well. And I'll also leave some tips for what castor oil is very helpful at relieving, so you can try it for many other things. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please comment below, and remember to subscribe, and remember to tell a friend, family member about this channel and have them subscribe. There are some great tips and some great remedies, and I think they would benefit from them, and I hope you have too. It was great talking to you today. Have a wonderful day. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.